Rulers are essential measuring tools, present in various areas of human activity, playing a fundamental role in building knowledge, ensuring precision in tasks, and organizing our daily lives. Although they are simple instruments in their conception, the importance of rulers goes far beyond their apparent function, influencing areas ranging from basic education to science, art, engineering, and everyday activities. Throughout history, rulers have proven to be indispensable for human evolution, helping to shape the world with accuracy and exactness. In education, rulers are often one of the first tools that children are introduced to. They are part of the basic school supplies and play a key role in learning mathematical concepts, such as measurements, lengths, angles, and proportions. By drawing straight lines or measuring distances, children learn fundamental notions that help them develop logical and spatial reasoning. The ruler also contributes to the development of fine motor skills, providing a way to connect the abstraction of numbers to the concrete reality of physical objects. This early contact with rulers establishes a solid foundation for the development of more complex mathematical skills that will be needed as students advance in their studies. As students progress in their educational journey, the use of rulers becomes increasingly sophisticated. In subjects like geometry and trigonometry, rulers are indispensable for visualizing abstract concepts. They allow students to apply mathematical formulas to real-world situations, turning theoretical calculations into practical measurements. Through rulers, concepts like areas, perimeters, volumes, and lengths become easier to understand and manipulate. The ability to measure accurately not only facilitates the learning of mathematics, but also helps students develop a deeper understanding of the world around them, connecting abstract ideas to the real dimensions of physical space. Beyond their central role in education, rulers are essential in the field of exact sciences, such as engineering, architecture, and industrial design. In these disciplines, precision is of paramount importance, and the ruler serves as a basic instrument to ensure that projects are executed with millimeter-level accuracy. In civil engineering, for example, rulers are used to measure and draft plans for bridges, buildings, roads, and other infrastructures. A small measurement error can compromise an entire project, putting the safety and durability of a construction at risk. Therefore, rulers are essential to ensure that every detail is carefully planned and executed, guaranteeing the integrity of structures and the safety of those who will use them. In architecture, rulers also play a central role. They are used in the development of architectural designs, ensuring that all dimensions and proportions are properly respected. The planning and design of buildings, houses, and urban spaces require precision, and rulers are indispensable tools for achieving this level of detail. At the same time, rulers are not limited to the construction field, but also contribute to the aesthetics and beauty of architectural works, ensuring that proportions and forms are in harmony. The precision provided by rulers thus becomes a bridge between technique and art in architecture. In industrial design, rulers also play a vital role. Product designers and mechanical engineers depend on rulers to ensure that parts and components are manufactured to the correct dimensions so that they fit perfectly in the final products. Small variations of millimeters can cause functional problems in machines and devices, and that is where the ruler becomes crucial in ensuring that each piece meets exact standards. Just as in engineering and architecture, the ruler is a tool that ensures projects are transformed into reality with precision and efficiency. In addition to their technical use, rulers are widely used in the visual arts and graphic design. Artists and designers use rulers to ensure that their compositions have balanced proportions and straight lines. Although creativity is the main driving force behind these disciplines, the precision provided by rulers is essential for giving structure and form to artistic creations. In graphic design, for instance, rulers are used to align text, images, and visual elements, ensuring that the layout has a harmonious and well-organized appearance. Without rulers, many of the visual compositions we see in magazines, websites, and advertisements would not have the clarity and visual impact they possess. Rulers also play an important role in crafts and DIY do-it-yourself projects. For those who enjoy working with their hands to create objects or renovate furniture, rulers are indispensable tools. When cutting materials like wood, fabric, or paper, it is essential that measurements are correct to ensure that the pieces fit perfectly. Rulers thus facilitate the planning and execution of craft projects, ensuring that every detail is carefully measured and aligned. Whether in sewing, woodworking, or scrapbooking, rulers are reliable companions that offer control and precision in every step of the creative process. In the field of science, rulers are used in experiments and research to accurately measure objects, substances, and natural phenomena. Precise measurement is fundamental to the validity of scientific data, and rulers play a crucial role in this process. In physics, chemistry, and biology laboratories, rulers are used to measure the dimensions of samples, reagents, and experimental devices. Accuracy in measurements ensures that the results of experiments are reliable and can be reproduced by other scientists, contributing to the advancement of scientific knowledge. Beyond the sciences and the arts, rulers also have an important function in sports competitions. In events such as athletics and long jump, rulers or measuring tapes are used to measure distances with precision, determining the winners by fractions of millimeters. Without the precision provided by these measuring instruments, it would be impossible to ensure fairness and impartiality in sports competitions. In this sense, rulers are tools that safeguard the integrity of competitions, ensuring that results are accurate and fair. An often overlooked aspect of rulers is their historical contribution to the development of civilization. The standardization of measurements was a fundamental step for human progress, allowing the construction of monumental buildings like the pyramids of Egypt and the temples of ancient Greece. Over the centuries, rulers have evolved, adapting to the needs of societies and incorporating new materials, such as steel, plastic, and aluminum. During the Industrial Revolution, rulers became even more important as precision in the manufacturing of parts and machines became crucial to the growth of industries. Throughout history, rulers have been one of the pillars of technical and scientific progress, helping humanity measure, build, and advance toward the future. Even with the advent of digital technologies, such as design software and 3D printing, rulers continue to be widely used. Their simplicity, accessibility, and reliability often make them the preferred tool in many everyday situations. People frequently choose to use a traditional ruler instead of relying on more complex digital tools because it offers a direct and immediate level of control. A ruler is a tool that anyone, regardless of their background or technical skill level, can use to measure and draw with precision. In summary, the ruler is a simple yet indispensable measuring instrument that plays a fundamental role in countless areas of human life. It teaches us the importance of precision, organization, and accuracy in everything we do, whether in school learning, artistic creation, large-scale projects, or daily tasks. The ruler, through its simplicity and functionality, connects the abstract world of ideas with the concrete world of execution. Therefore, it is only fitting to express gratitude for the existence of rulers which, despite their simplicity, play a vital role in our lives and in the progress of humanity as a whole.